Hi! For work I will use 1.4mm crochet hook and a ball of 100% mercerized cotton yarn. And in today's video tutorial you will see how to crochet 3D cord made of simple chains and stitches. This is my own pattern. It is very easy and quick to make. Please join me and let's get started crocheting. You can choose any color of yarn and any crochet hook that you like for this project. Let's crochet the cord. I will begin from the chain. Make a chain of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The chain is ready, and join the chain in the round by making a slip stitch into the first chain stitch. My foundation ring is ready. Let's crochet the first segment. Make chain of 2. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the ring, make double crochet, then chain of 7 for the chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Insert the hook into the ring, make a slip stitch and pull it, make a chain, turn the work into the chain space. I'm going to work with chains and slip stitches. Make 9 slip stitches. Make slip stitch and chain 1, 2, and chain 3, and chain 4, and chain 5, and chain 6, and chain 7, and chain 8, and chain 9. Here what I have. Then turn the work, insert the hook into the double crochet that I did in the previous row. This is my top. Insert the hook, make a slip stitch. My segment is ready. Here how it looks. I continue working, then chain of 2, yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the same stitch, make double crochet. Continue 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm done chain space. This is my chain stitch and this is my double crochet. Now I'm going to work with the double crochet only. Make a slip stitch, make a chain, pull it and turn the work. Work into the chain space, make slip stitch and chain 9 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Once I have done the last pair, insert the hook into the double crochet, make a slip stitch. My second segment is ready. This is the back side of the cord. Let's stop and look. And this is the front side of my cord. I continue working on my... Now I show you how to crochet the next segment. Let's crochet the next one. Make a chain, 1, 2, then double crochet, continue, then chain of 7 for the chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I turn the work to the front side. Here is my stitches. This is the previous one. I skip chains, insert the hook into the double crochet, insert the hook and make a slip stitch. Make a chain, turn the work, and the work into the chain space, make 9 slip stitches with chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Well done. I straight up my stitches. This is the front side. Insert the hook into the stitch. Make a slip stitch. I'm done 3 segments. Here how they look like. For the next one, make chain of 2, yarn over the hook and double crochet into the stitch of the previous row. This is the front side, and let's look at the back. Let's continue working. Let's repeat one more time. Chain of 7 for the chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I skip this one, insert the hook into the stitch. Insert the hook like this. Insert the hook around the stitch. It gives my cord a volume. Make a slip stitch. Make a chain and turn the work. Work into the chain space 9 slip stitches with chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is the back side of the cord. Insert the hook into the stitch. Insert the hook into the stitch. Make a slip stitch, pull it, then chain of 2 and double crochet into the stitch of the previous segment. Make double crochet. This is the back side of the project. Then chain of 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then turn the work. I skip this pair, insert the hook into the next one. Here is the chains, and this is my stitch. I insert the hook around the stitch. Make a slip stitch. Make a chain, turn it. Make slip stitch with chain 9 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here is my stitch and chain. Insert the hook into the top, make a slip stitch, chain of 2, make double crochet into the stitch, then chain of 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here how my 3D cord looks like. This is the front side of my cord. This is the back, like this. This is the front side. Let's make the last one. Insert the hook around the stitch that I did before. This is the first one. Insert the hook around the second one. I repeat one more time. Make a slip stitch, pull it, then make a chain, turn the work, and make slip stitch with chain 9 times into the chain space. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Well done. This is my stitch. Make slip stitch into the double crochet in this segment. Well done. Make a slip stitch, then chain of 2 and double crochet into the double crochet. This is the back side. After the double crochet, chain of 7 for the chain space. Turn the work. This is the front side of my cord. I skip this one, insert the hook into the second one, make a slip stitch, make a chain, and so on. So you should repeat the segment as many times as you need for your project. In your case it could be belt or bracelet. In my case this is the simple cord with 3D volume. This is front, and let's look at the back. Keep working with your own. Here how my cord looks like when I am done. Once I have done the last segment, after the chain stitch, to secure the yarn by making a chain. So that's it, my cord is ready. Here how it looks. This is one side and this is another one. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, follow me in social media, and of course crochet with me and learn more. This is the second one. For this one I use gray color of yarn. You can choose any color of yarn and any crochet hook. And all additional information about the tools could be found in the description of each video tutorial. This is my own pattern I created recently for you. It is very quick and easy to make project, so you don't need special skills. You just need to know basic stitches such as single crochet, double crochet, chains, slip stitches, and so on. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time, and good luck in crocheting. Here how they look like on my hand. Please write comment below this video what you will get with me and where you will use this project. Bye!